AUDCAD, our next hot trade this week is pretty good, right? But it's not like some of the weeks that we have all 12 pairs are our hot trade. So we really cherish our hot trade very much. Be it we have all the 12 pairs as hot trade or just 3 or 4 of them. Right, so basically what is a hot trade? Hot trade means that I can engage a trade of the lower time frame, but to have the advantage of the higher time frame movement. To put things in layman term, which means I have an opportunity of a high returns with a low risk, high returns, right? So what is low risk, high returns? 2-1 ratio is not low risk, high return for us. It's a normal trade for us. Low risk, high returns, that means it easily went beyond 4. Many of times it's 10:1, 11:1, those kind of projected returns, right? So on the weekly chart, we have the bearish 5-0 pattern over here, right? So shorting it, let me just give you an example. Let's say if I want to short it aggressive it right now, right, it's giving me 393 pips, right? So from my experience, this could be a 7:1. If you have seen that I've not drawn to the end, the extreme end, this is just by purpose, right? So to the daily chart, right, what we have, one of the way to engage it is based off the daily chart. I can wait for a retest happen over here, candlestick confirmation in the next few days before shorting it. My stop loss will be lesser than the weekly chart, either is there, right? For our chart, other ways is to wait for the market to hit up to 0.8965 for a shorting opportunity. My stop loss will be shorter as well. But what's really important is, for me, will be this 1 hour chart. So this 1 hour chart have this bad pattern. I'm looking to short on a 1 hour chart at 0.8960 for a shorting opportunity. However, I'm banging on the target profit over here, which is more than 400 pips, as you can imagine, right? That will bring me more than 2,000 US dollar potential per standard contract traded. And my stop loss, right, just measured to the top to share with you is 10 pips, but of course we have our secret formula to add in a buffer. I can easily tell you that this will give me a very good trade returns, right? So if you want to learn this, right, you want to know what is the danger about this setup, right? There's a warning sign over here, right? Drop me a DM. We'll see if you're ready, because a lot of times you might be concerned whether you're ready to be coach or are you able to earn money from trading, right? Just drop us a DM. We will do the assessment, and there are 3 stages of it to make sure that you are certain what you're getting into before we accept you as our students. And of course, you have to fulfill certain criteria, right? So if you're interested, drop us a DM and we'll see if you're a good fit.